Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to run accessibility checker in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here the accessibility checker is off. Now we want to run or enable this accessibility checker. Go to the file menu, then select the info option. Now I am select the inspect workbook option. We can see here the accessibility checker. You can want to enable this, click this option, and we can see here open the window of accessibility. You want to enable this, check mark on the keep accessibility checker running will I work, then close this panel, and we can see here the accessibility checker we run easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.